Welcome to day 153 of 200 Days of Code, here with Leon Andersen and me, out of Mill from 10x Dev. We are going to have another listening session to what Leon Andersen has been up to, who literally started coding 153 days ago. Leon Andersen, take it away.
Hello everyone, I'm doing great. Today I spent more time with the blog post, also did some typing training, finally after a long while, and making some progress there, having my first successful typing, I don't know how to say it, maybe typing exercises or typing snippets where I'm reaching around 57 words per minute. Sometimes I get there. I would say I'm lingering around 49 mostly at the moment. And yeah, the blog post was a lot of fun as well, making some progress there. A little bit, yeah, it's a little tricky sometimes to have it all in the right order, in the right structure. To me, that was also in language class, that was the biggest challenge. Of how to order everything in a way where I can make sure that the main meaning, the main message really gets through, and also that I'm not mixing in too many other messages that confuse the reader what the main message actually is. And yeah, it had some reordering there a little today, but was all in the scope of being fun. And that's it for today. Nothing more to say. Oh yeah, I one more thing. I browsed a bit through the free coding camp website, because there's a course called JavaScript algorithms or something like that. JavaScript algorithms and data structures, something like that. And that's something I might do sometime in the next few weeks, because it also like little puzzles basically, step by step. And on that page there were also some other courses, titles of other courses they have, and there was one about, I think, data visualization, and for some reason that sounded really interesting to me. There's like I don't know how it's called, but some JavaScript library or framework specialized on data visualization, like in special graphs and visual representation of data basically. And for some reason that's super interesting to me, and I was excited that I'm now aware of this field. I'm aware that this is something that I want to learn. And yeah, that's it for today. Always be coding. Until tomorrow.
Thank you. Yeah, algorithms and data structures is something that can sometimes be very helpful, but sometimes it's just used to torture interviewees by big companies. So you always want to be mindful, what is the reason? Why are you learning the thing that you're learning? Is it really something that will make you money, that will create value for you? Or is it just something that you feel pressured to learn? I mean, arguably you could say, okay, if you get a job by learning algorithms and data structures, then it is also creating money for you, right? But I would argue that unless it's something that you're using when you want to build it, I would not suggest you subject yourself to bullying by some company that just wants to, bully you with whiteboarding you. Instead, that should be a red flag for you. And you're like, no, I'm not going to get whiteboarded. I want a company with hiring practices that do not pressure people unnecessarily and that do not expect them to know stuff which they don't really need in day-to-day business. So thank you everyone for watching. This has been day 153 of 200 Days of Code with virtually I'm Andersen, and me, Aleph Mill from 10x Dev. Thank you for tuning in, and see you tomorrow. Bye.